The couple accused of holding an 18-year-old girl captive in their home appeared in court earlier today. Fox 26's Damali Keith joining us live outside the humble home where the teenager was said to have been held captive for about a month. Damali.
Yeah, according to investigators, that 18-year-old girl was being held against her will and terrorized, even sexually assaulted inside a house here in Humble. They say she was held for about a month until she was able to escape on Sunday. Now, in court today, we learned that the man and woman being held and charged with holding her captive, they are husband and wife who had a little baby just 2 weeks ago, and the baby was born prematurely.
The state is going to has an obligation to give us any evidence they may have, any statements from the complaining witness, so that we could prepare the case and the defense.
That evidence discovery phase is the next legal step for Jose Reyes and Jacqueline Macias. When the two appeared here separately in court, this hearing was an initial arraignment.
My client and the co-defendant, which is his wife, they have a 2-week-old kid who's currently right now in NICU due to the child being born early.
So Macias was giving birth just 2 weeks ago. The 18-year-old girl says she's been captive here in this humble home, being terrorized, raped, and restrained for the last 30 days after she says she was lured here by Reyes. Precinct 4 says a chain and several padlocks were found in a bedroom in the house.
But it was not a stranger-on-stranger type relationship. The actual relationship, those two individuals knew one another very well.
Because my client has no prior criminal record, of course, she's presumed innocent, and she will probably plus bond and go home.
Bond for Macias has been set at $50,000. Reyes is being held on a $95,000 bond. Why is his higher?
Because of the allegations that my client was the one that had the relationship with the complainant. There were also some allegations that he may have engaged in some type of sexual contact with the complainant while she was allegedly in custody within his home.
Now, Reyes' attorney says evidence will prove his client did not hold the 18-year-old captive. Both husband and wife are due back in court in September. Reporting live in Humble, I'm Damali Keith, Fox 26 News.